grand right here for 11,000. Come on, bitch. Yeah. Ooh. $38. Watch this back-to-back shit. Watch the skills. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See, I won. I wasn't recording. Oh well. But you know when the buffaloes run by, they should have a little spear feature where you can throw spears at them. And if you get one, you win. Right? I mean, these aren't Indian reservations, so we should be able to spear buffaloes legally here. I mean, I would, especially a white buffalo. That'd be a nice trophy in my house. Come on, baby. 3 more. There you go. 2 more. 1 more. After this one hits. 1 more. Uh-oh. Get that motherfucker. You're a bitch. Do we have any more spins? Are you sure? Alright. Back to back. Watch this. Smoking crack. Alright. I just hit it for 500 bucks. At least. Wow. Okay. There was a hit it and quit it right there. Boom. Yeah, 700 bucks almost. Blam, 655. And I still have all of those. Let's get it. Got it finally. Come on, baby. Do something good. Big numbers. Bigger than that. Come on. Keep them coming. Okay, they're getting bigger. There we go. How about that major now? I have a feeling that major's gonna drop. Dude, that major's gonna drop. I'm not even kidding. Here comes the major, right here. Oh my God, Becky. Are we gonna do it? 1 more. There it comes. 1 more.